What's up, guys? I have a little not project, just I'm gonna try to salvage this exhaust that it came with the bike. You know, obviously the guy landed a major damage on the right. Hello. So at the moment I'm not gonna buy exhaust yet. I'm just gonna try to see if I can make it presentable. This one's gonna try to bend it back here at this joint, and then if I am able to have it slightly back, then what I'll do is I just gonna scratch all over the place so it looks brush everywhere. And same thing with this. If I can have it somewhat round, I'm just gonna reuse it. But we'll see what happens, right? Right now, I'm just gonna try to open it. See, like this exhaust, I don't think there's any rip back in it. Right there, I'm already feel that a little bit and move back a little bit. Okay, that was easy. The bit broke. Just make sure you have a good drill bit, because sometimes if they're not sharp, they blow. Like that's not sharp. See how many have done with this one? Quite few, right? So I'll be hitting this to the side like this, a little by little. Seems like it's moving a little bit. See? But it's going to be time consuming. It's coming up. It's coming up a little bit. Okay. Let's put it back. Push it back all the way here again. Yep. No wonder these things are so loud. It's barely any fiberglass here. Wow. Now to get this out, you're gonna have to hold into this and hit this here little by little, right? Same thing, hopefully. So today, actually yesterday, I repacked the slip-on with new repack. This was the original. You can see it's barely any smoke on it, but I want to put something more denser, so I put this one here. So by the time it's not even same thickness. Alright. So put this in, just go like that. And just squeeze it in, right? So we just gotta align these things, because that's gonna be harder than easier. As you can see, the thing is not as completely round this anymore. I was able to round this thing somewhat, but it's not completely round, so it's gonna hold by pressure here, pressure there. Yep. As long as I can screw it in somehow. But you get the idea. Little by little I'll put it in. It's gonna take me too long for me to show you on film, but you know, pressure here, pressure there, and I'll be able to push it in. Alright, so the end result. Alright, so I was able to slide it in. You can see there. Just need to line. Gotta like. There you go. Perfect. Yep. So over here you can put a little extra cloth, or leave it like so. Because this needs to align with the other lip. So alright, this is the other lip. There we go here. To match. This is really a match. And then screw it in. What you're gonna do is just put some extra cloth around. And then this thing is going to be same as that. Play around with it until it gets in. Yep. So I'm going to show you the at the end. Let me rivet that first. Get some coffee. Okay, this one obviously wasn't there, and since I don't want to keep it that rough looking, so I'm gonna put this. I had this extra from another salvage exhaust that I did, and believe it or not, each hole fitted right on. So what do you know, right? So we're gonna go here. Yeah, that was not good. And make sure these are aligned. Sure all this fit there. This one fits. This one don't fit. This one kind of fits. This for sure won't fit. So you gotta make sure all of them fit. Yeah. So alright. Alright, so what I did was drill a little bigger hole so I can for sure make sure everyone fits. That's all, because I don't want to be dealing with that when I'm putting one of this and then the other ones didn't fit right. Alright, so I'm just gonna go here, match all of them, right? Yep. First one goes here, so make sure. Oh man, go scratch my exhaust. Yeah, right? Obviously, if you're doing this, you're gonna use a bigger table. If you had a good line that. We're gonna line this one. And same thing applies. Yeah. Go here. And then this one. Yep. Yep. Okay. Let's make sure it's not coming out. And go this one here. Yep. This one will go underneath here. And right around the money. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Good. Now put this in and then should call it a day. So after some elbow grease I was able to align it. See? Now as I did with this one, I'm going to make the holes slightly bigger so it can offset my rivets. So I'll show you that. Goes in, goes in, goes in. Check it out. Yep, perfect. Yep. Goes in. Okay, one more I think. Yep, there you go. And that's good. Yep. And that would do for the repack and installation of the sleeve. How do you think I got the sleeve somewhat rounded, you might ask? Well, so it happened I had this 10-pound dumbbell that was so round, and it was just about the same circumference. It's just slightly smaller, but obviously the thing was really bent. So as I was pushing it, you know, I pushed it and I tapped it with the hammer, you know, until I got it somewhat round. And you know, it's not pretty, but right now I'm trying to save as much as I can. So I just want to have the exhaust functional. Doesn't have to look pretty because it's not a track, what's it called? A show bike. It's gonna be a track bike. And in the future, when something comes out better, then I'll get something prettier, deserving of the bike, because the bike deserves something nice. So at the moment, that's what we're gonna thing. This thing is not working properly. I gotta work it good, because once I want to work on my forks, definitely want to make sure it grips. There you go. Whatever reason it's not holding this form, and it should. I'll go here like this. You know, these clamps here are from Leo Vinci exhaust. It's gonna say, oh man, you got this Leo Vinci exhaust. Say, no, I don't have a Leo Vinci exhaust. I just have these clamps. Let me see, making them hold bigger. Maybe I can fit one of this. Nope, it's not gonna be. So this one should be. It's all right. Here you go. It's landing up. It lands up right here, right? Yep. Just to land the same way. Yep. I'm gonna put that here. Yep. Here's one. There's another one there. There you go. There you go. Okay, it goes here. Yep. And does that exhaust repack and salvage for the meantime. Yep. It's a meantime thing. And that does it. Peace out. I'm gonna put it in the bike just to look how it looks with the meat pipe. You know, I'm going to wrap. I was trying to bend this back, but I couldn't find anything that will do the same trick with this. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap it with exhaust strap all the way to here, and that's it. Ciao.